those moments when your mind feels like it's on a runaway train, overthinking every little thing, especially the not so great stuff? One thought spirals into another, and before you know it, you're stuck in a confusing loop with no clear start or end. It's exhausting, right? That's exactly where journaling comes in. Think of it as your mental declutter tool, a way to take all that noise in your head, dump it onto paper, and finally hit pause on the chaos. By getting your thoughts out of your head and onto the page, you create space to breathe, think clearly, and maybe even laugh at how ridiculous some of those thoughts sound once they're out in the open. There are many benefits of journaling. First up, it's an emotional outlet, like venting to a best friend who doesn't interrupt. Feeling stressed about exams? Angry at your roommate for finishing your snacks? Just scribble it out. It's also a fantastic self discovery tool if you let yourself be your most authentic self while using it. You know how movies like ZNMD make you reflect on life? Journaling may do the same without the hefty budget needed for a space trip. It helps tame our inner critic, the annoying voice in your head that's constantly judging you. And finally, it can be a huge creativity boost because the wild tangents that you take while writing might just spark new ideas and thoughts. Starting journaling is easy. You don't need any fancy journals or perfect setups. Here's how you go about it. Find a spot that you feel very comfortable in. It could be your bed, your desk, the corner of your favorite cafe. Use and throw some music on if you like. Grab your favorite pen and just get ready to let your thoughts run free. Start writing, beginning with the first thing that comes to mind. Do not judge or censor what's coming up. It could be something as deep as what am I doing with my life? Or as random as why does everyone in rom-coms have such amazing apartments? Let it just flow. Don't censor anything. If your thoughts jump from existential dread to how much you hate pineapple on pizza, just go with it. No one's grading this. So don't worry about punctuation, grammar, sentence construction, or even handwriting for that matter. Just write. Whatever, however, ideally, without even lifting your hand from the paper. You could set a timer if you feel stuck. Then setting a timer and just write it till it buzzes could be one way of getting started. It's almost like speed dating with your thoughts. Once you're done, you can choose to reread what you wrote or just close the journal and move on. There's no need to analyze or edit. It's the equivalent of fill it, shut it, forget it. Journaling is your unfiltered, judgment free zone. It works just like hitting clear on all your notifications. So grab a pen, let your thoughts flow, and watch how putting them on paper makes room for clarity, creativity, and calm.